So here we are. I'm working on my 2011 Dodge Charger. Problem is my fuel door broke and I couldn't find any videos online on how actually taking it off. I'll show you. So first off, of course, we're gonna open this part up. And as you guys can see, my stuff is broke. We gotta take it out. First thing that you gotta take off is this part. So apparently there's clips behind there, so you pry it out a little bit. Where's that part? There's the clips. They're on the top and on the bottom. Right there. Once you pop that part out, there's this rubber seals right here that gotta go around the filler neck. They're rubber seals, so you can wiggle it around. Just to take this part off. Don't rip on it too hard or too soft. Just wiggle it out around it. Make sure that you work the rubber around that stuff. Cap is made out of plastic. And once you get past that part right here, you'll just let it hang, because there's a assembly in the back over there that has a wire and a cable. So you just let that hang there. So you have enough access over here. To remove these two screws, let me move this down a little bit. There you go. To remove these two screws, they're T30s. You take those off. There you got it.
It's missing the retainer spring.
But that's how you take it apart. Not that hard. So mine's one is missing the entire assembly right here. The spring, the bolt, and everything else. So I had to buy a new one. 50 bucks, eBay, shipped to Illinois. And then just put it back together.